Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Hootsuite AI features for smarter social scheduling, full guide step by step clearly. To update Hootsuite AI features for smarter social scheduling, start by logging into your Hootsuite account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various options in settings. Locate the settings section on the left-hand menu. Click on settings to open a new page with multiple categories. Find and select the integrations tab. Within the integrations section, search for Hootsuite AI options or features. Make sure you check for any available updates or new features listed. If an update is available, click on the update button to initiate the process. Follow the prompts to complete the update installation. Once the update is installed, return to the dashboard. Next, explore the AI features by selecting the Publisher option. In the Publisher section, look for the AI scheduling tool. Familiarize yourself with the new functionalities and enhancements provided by the AI system. You can now configure these AI features to optimize your social media scheduling. Select the relevant social media accounts you want to manage with the AI. Set your preferred posting times or let the AI choose optimal times based on engagement metrics. Review your scheduled posts to ensure everything aligns with your strategy. Finally, monitor the performance of your posts and adjust settings as necessary. Regularly check for updates to the AI features to keep your scheduling smart and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.